Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So let me show you in a few steps.
But before starting, if you people have not subscribed to our channel, so kindly subscribe it.
First, I will open the Facebook app. Here, you have to click on the three corners on the top right side. Click on See Your Profile. Here, you have to click on these three dots. As you can see here, the option of Locked Profile, so you must have to click on it. Now, just click below on Lock Your Profile. Now processing has started. Just wait for a few seconds. So friends, you can see now, your profile has been locked and only friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Even if you want to unlock your profile again, so friends, you can easily unlock it again. To unlock your profile, just click on these three dots once again. Now you have to click on Unlock Your Profile. Now click on this Unlock. Now click on Unlock Your Profile. So friends, you can see my profile has been unlocked again. Now, just click on OK.
Once again, I am requesting you please. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching our videos.